Hi again, folks. It's George. I've got a little addendum to the earlier Arkansas Traveler video I did. In the band, we do a minor version of this, which is very cool. We switch into it right in the middle of the song, and then the final time through we switch back to the major key, and it really adds a lot of drive to the song, and it sounds great. And this double C tuning is especially amenable to that because it's really agnostic as to whether you're playing out of a major or minor tonal position, because there's no 3 or 7 notes on any of the open strings. It's just 1s, 5s, and 2s. So here's a minor version of Arkansas Traveler. Something like that. So part A mimics the major version, but when you're playing out of a minor modally sound, you're going to find yourself on the third fret of all the strings essentially, which gives it that nice modally sound. So part A goes like this. Okay, so that's all pretty straightforward. So here I want to show you. I'm not doing any ditty part again. It's all picked with the middle finger. Part B, instead of playing this nice pretty happy sound, we just move the 4th fret of the 2nd string down to the 3rd fret and drop thumb on those 2 strings. That's the same position as in the major version of that second little inversion there. But now we go to the 1st fret of the 1st string, 5 chord, there I'm just hammering on the 2nd string to the 2nd fret, pulling off from the 3rd to the 1st fret of the 1st string. Now here is a cool alternate way to end it. Isn't that cool? Lynn Morris again, she's my hero. So here we do a drop thumb on the inside 2 strings and then hammer on the 3rd string to the 3rd fret. Another drop thumb inside 2 strings, but now pull off the 3rd string from the 3rd fret. Now with the index finger, or with the middle finger, pick the 4th string at the 3rd fret, hammer to the 5th. Now drop thumb on the 3rd and 4th strings, drop thumb, and then pull off from 5 to 3, and then a drop thumb on the open 3rd and 4th strings to finish the lick. So that whole lick again sounds like this.